Welcome to this guide on embracing a zero-waste lifestyle. Living a zero-waste life means making conscious choices to reduce the amount of waste we produce, particularly non-recyclable and non-compostable waste. This lifestyle not only benefits the environment, but also helps you lead a more mindful and sustainable life. What is zero waste? Zero waste is a movement focused on minimizing waste by rethinking our consumption habits. The goal is to send as little as possible to landfills by reducing, reusing, recycling, and composting. Why adopt a zero-waste lifestyle? Reducing waste helps combat pollution, conserves natural resources, and reduces your carbon footprint. By making small changes in our daily lives, we can contribute to a healthier planet for future generations. Reduce single-use plastics. Avoid items like plastic bags, straws, and water bottles. Opt for reusable alternatives such as cloth bags, metal straws, and stainless steel water bottles. Shop mindfully. Buy in bulk to minimize packaging waste. Choose products with minimal or recyclable packaging. Support local businesses and farmers markets to reduce transportation-related waste. Compost organic waste. Start a compost bin for food scraps, yard waste, and other organic materials. Composting reduces the amount of waste going to landfills and creates nutrient-rich soil for your garden. DIY household products. Make your own cleaning products using natural ingredients like vinegar, baking soda, and essential oils. DIY products are often safer, cheaper, and reduce the need for plastic packaging. Choose reusables. Invest in reusable items like cloth napkins, glass containers, and beeswax wraps. Reusables reduce the need for disposable items and help cut down on waste. Let's dive into zero-waste practices in different areas of our lives. First, the kitchen. Use glass jars for food storage and shop at bulk stores. Replace paper towels with cloth rags. Next, the bathroom. Switch to bar soap instead of liquid soap in plastic bottles. Use a safety razor instead of disposable razors. When you're on the go, carry a reusable water bottle, coffee cup, and utensils with you. Refuse single-use items like napkins and plastic cutlery when eating out. And for your wardrobe, embrace a minimalist wardrobe by buying high-quality, durable clothing. Consider second-hand shopping or clothing swaps to reduce waste. Now let's talk about overcoming challenges and staying motivated on your zero-waste journey. Start small. Begin with one area of your life, such as the kitchen or bathroom, and gradually expand your zero-waste efforts. Stay informed. Educate yourself about sustainable practices and stay updated on new zero-waste products and innovations. Build a community. Connect with others who are also pursuing a zero-waste lifestyle. Join online forums, attend workshops, or participate in local zero-waste events. Celebrate progress. Remember that zero waste is a journey, not a destination. Celebrate the small victories and stay motivated by focusing on the positive impact you're making. Before we move to the conclusion of the video, I would love to tell you that the script of this video is available on Scriptcraft website. The link is in the bio, so kindly do check it out. Living a zero-waste lifestyle is a rewarding way to contribute to a more sustainable future. By making small intentional changes in your daily habits, you can significantly reduce your environmental impact. Remember, every step towards zero waste counts, and together we can make a difference. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Subscribe and comment on the topic you want to know more about.